All right, we're back in the AI Copy Lab. This is rapid fire subject line rewrites. Let's dive in. I said to ChatGPT, I actually am coming out with an AI copywriting course. So I just said, here are 20, or actually, I asked, give me 20 subject lines for an email on my new AI copywriting course. Okay. And it says, certainly, here are 20 subject lines. So what I'm going to do as quickly as I can for this video, I'm going to rewrite these subject lines. You don't want to just necessarily use what it gives you here. Okay. So all you do is you take copy, or you click copy, you go to a Google Doc, you paste them in, and then you get rolling. So let's do that. Let's see how many of these I can adjust in this video. All right. I'm just waiting for it to paste it in. Come on. Okay, there we go. Took a while. All right, so unveiling the future of copywriting with AI. How about instead of unveiling, I think that's a little, a little too weird. I like announcing better. All right, because unveiling, remember, you want to keep a lot of your copy simple. We don't want people thinking about the word unveiling when they're going through their email inbox, deciding if they want to delete your email or not. So announcing is more, it's quicker. It's easier on the eyes. And this next one, instead of copywriting, I'm switching that to copy. And instead of enroll now, because how can we have them enroll when they haven't even read the email? They know nothing about it. Learn more now. How's that? That's better. Discover the AI revolution in copywriting. Revolution is too common term in ChatGPT. How about shift? The AI shift in copywriting. Master AI powered copywriting. New course alert. I like that one. Elevate your copy skills with our AI course. It's not I don't have a partner on this project. With this groundbreaking AI course. Okay. Copywriting plus AI, a match made in heaven. I don't, how about your match made in heaven? Because, we want to use the word your as much as possible. Unearth the secrets of AI-driven copywriting. That's good. Dive deep, the AI copywriting course you've been waiting for. I like that instead of you've waited for. Okay. Exclusive invite, join our AI copywriting masterclass. How about just AI copywriting masterclass? Okay. I deleted join our. Okay. Are you ready for the AI copywriting evolution? Okay, that's fine. From novice to AI copywriting ninja, enroll today. I don't like ninja. Makes me think of a smoothie maker. How about expert? Redefining copy, how AI is changing the game. That's fine. That's kind of that's not bad. Stay ahead. Master AI in copywriting with us. Again, it's using us instead of me. Master AI in copywriting. How about just that? Let's keep it simple, transform your writing with cutting edge AI techniques. That's fine. Unraveling tomorrow's copywriting. Okay, the rest of these are fine. So that's the rapid fire one. This edition for changing subject lines in your copywriting. Subject lines have to be short and sweet and attention getting and powerful. All right. ChatGPT is going to do a very serviceable job for you usually, but you're going to want to make it your own, just like everything else with your copy. And that's what the AI Copy Lab is all about. So I hope you enjoyed this rapid fire subject line rewrite session in the AI Copy Lab. I'm Andy O'Brien. Hit the subscribe button for more videos. I'll see you next time.